did it. Talk about the boy from New York City. He's really cute in his sailor suit. Hi, hog. I'm starting to see all these familiar faces. And we have a brand new song. It's for Les. Set my knees, honey, can't you see? I'm shaking at my knees. Oh yeah, honey, you're good. You hold me like you know you should. You're making me die. You'll only last a little while. Honey, can't you see? I'm getting on your knees. Oh, tonight. You hold it tight. I'm loving your smile. I'm gonna last a long, long while. Honey, can't you see? I say get on my knees. Oh, tonight, 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 baby, tonight. I hold you long and right. I'll kiss you all over. Baby girl, I'll take you tonight. 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 Baby, tonight. Tonight. Oh. Come on, come on. Come on, baby. Kissing you, darling. I'm kissing you, if you please. I'll kiss you below your head, and I'll kiss you above your knees. Tonight, tonight. Maybe on a beach night, right? Tonight, I'm kissing you, if you please. I'll kiss you below your head. Tonight.